Have you ever wondered how plant life survives in the harsh, arid conditions of a desert? Welcome to the Thar Desert, a realm where scorching heat, extreme temperatures, and intense sunlight rule the day. Water is a scarce luxury here, yet miraculously, life thrives. Amidst this sea of sand, a spectrum of unique plant species stand tall, each displaying an incredible resilience to the harsh desert conditions. In this vast landscape of sand and heat, there exists a variety of unique plant species, each with its own survival tactics. In the Thar Desert, plants have evolved with fascinating adaptations to survive. Let's dive into the marvels of adaptation exhibited by these resilient warriors of the desert. First, we have the cacti tree, also known as the desert's lifeline. This incredible tree has a deep root system that can reach up to 100 feet below the surface, tapping into hidden water sources and holding the sand together to prevent desertification. Its small, thick leaves minimize water loss, allowing the cacti to flourish in harsh conditions. The arc, or calotropis, is another desert warrior, with an adaptation that's as clever as it is effective. This plant has a unique ability to store water within its thick, fleshy leaves and stem. Even in the driest of seasons, the arc maintains its water reserves, providing a crucial source of hydration for desert dwellers. Last but not least, we have the desert marigold. This vibrant plant has a special way of protecting itself from the scorching desert sun. Its leaves are covered in tiny silver hairs that reflect sunlight, reducing the plant's temperature and preventing moisture loss. This adaptation allows the desert marigold to bloom in the desert's heat, adding a splash of color to the sandy landscape. Each of these plants has developed unique ways to survive in the harsh desert environment. They've learned to dig deep, store water, and shield themselves from the relentless sun. These adaptations aren't just about survival, though. They're about thriving in a place where many other species simply couldn't. These plants aren't just survivors, they are integral to the desert ecosystem, providing food and shelter to a myriad of desert creatures. They've become masters of adaptation, proving that even in the harshest conditions, life finds a way to not only survive, but to flourish. Beyond survival, these plants play a significant role in the desert ecosystem. In the scorching heat and arid plains of the Thar Desert, these plants have evolved not only to survive, but also to fulfill essential roles in the ecosystem. Each plant with its unique adaptations contributes in its own way to the biodiversity of this seemingly barren landscape. Take, for instance, the plants that provide shade. In the relentless desert sun, shade is a precious commodity. Larger plants like the cacti and rohida trees extend their branches, creating pockets of cooler temperatures beneath their canopies. This, in turn, allows for the survival of smaller shade-loving plants and creatures, fostering a microhabitat within the desert expanse. Then, we have the plants that act as windbreakers. The desert is a land of extremes, and the wind can be as harsh as the sun. Hardy shrubs like fog and lana effectively break the wind's force, preventing soil erosion and preserving the desert's topography. But perhaps the most crucial role these plants play is in providing sustenance. They offer food and shelter to a myriad of desert insects and animals. From the insects that feed on plant sap to the desert gazelles that graze on their leaves, these plants form the foundation of the Thar's food web. Their existence is a testament to the intricate balance of life in the harshest of environments. So, what makes the plant life of the Thar Desert so unique? Well, it's their remarkable ability to adapt and thrive in the harsh desert conditions. These plants have evolved in ways that allow them to conserve water, withstand extreme temperatures, and even survive sandstorms. From the hardy cacti tree, which provides shade and nutrition, to the resilient cactus, which stores water in its fleshy tissues, each plant has its unique survival strategy. But these green warriors do more than just survive. They play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the desert ecosystem. They provide food and shelter to a variety of desert creatures, help in soil conservation, and contribute to the biodiversity of the Thar. Their survival and roles in the ecosystem are a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. These resilient green warriors of the Thar Desert are a remarkable testament to the power of adaptation and the intricate balance of nature.